Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Brud from Sprunki, Incredibox. Brud, the 7th character and second effect in the Incredibox mod Sprunki, stands out with his unique appearance and quirky behavior. He wears a gray bucket tilted on the left side of his head, revealing a single spike poking out from underneath. His eyes, often described as derpy, have outward-facing pupils that give him a lazy, inattentive look. The brown hue of his body adds to his distinctive, oddball charm. Unlike the other characters, Brud exhibits a simple-minded, childlike nature. He understands only basic concepts, like colors and sympathy, and his speech is limited to fragmented phrases rather than complete sentences. Left to his own devices, he munches on moss, which could explain why moss appears fearful of him. This habit, though odd, underscores his simple, almost primal instincts. Brud stands out as the only character in the Incredibox mod Sprunki with an entirely lowercase name. A sharp contrast to a wax, whose name is written entirely in uppercase letters. He embodies the classic, dumb character stereotype, with his simple-minded nature reflected in his limited understanding of concepts like colors and sympathy. Despite being able to speak, Brud can only form broken phrases instead of complete sentences. One of Brud's more peculiar traits is his habit of eating moss when he's alone. This odd behavior likely explains why moss appears afraid of him, possibly fearing that Brud might see them as food. To conceal the spike on top of his head, Brud wears a bucket that tilts to the left, adding to his quirky appearance. Due to his limited awareness and lack of caution, Brud should never be trusted to handle a gun. His clumsiness might lead him to accidentally harm himself or someone else. Despite some speculation, Nyanko has confirmed that Brud is not inspired by Spot from Incredivator, establishing him as a wholly unique character within the Sprunki universe. During a normal loop, Brud's movements are equally peculiar. He bobs his head rhythmically, shifting the shape of his mouth between a triangle and an oval, depending on the pitch of his beatboxing. His offbeat mannerisms and limited understanding give him a whimsical, endearing quality, making him one of the more memorable figures in the Sprunki lineup. I hope this video provides you with step-by-step guidance on drawing and coloring, making it easier for you to create your own artwork. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.